let me show you how to make cafe-like hot chocolate at the comfort of your home. I'm using Nestle Scorched Almond hot chocolate powder for this one. Cut the sachet open and add it in your preferred cup. It would be amazing if you had an espresso machine at home. I personally have the Budan Espresso Machine. A pro tip, add some hot water onto your hot chocolate powder and stir it up well. You will thank me later. Well, I thank my barista friends for this tip. Press the steam button on your espresso machine. Take some milk into your milk pitcher and froth it till you get a nice shiny texture onto the milk. Pour the milk onto the hot chocolate powder. I'm not great with latte art, but if you can do it, it would definitely add another level of pro touch onto it. And there you go. Cafe-like hot chocolate in the comfort of your home.